Industrial athlete performance tips. As an industrial athlete, you move for a living. You use your body to push, pull, lift, and carry. Performance is important in any sport, and industry is no different. Remain in the green zone. Let's talk power. Our green zone is the optimal position for lifting, carrying, holding, and working in. It's defined as the area from your shoulders to your hips and about a foot out in front of you. When we work outside of this zone, forces on the spine increase. And the farther away we get from this zone, the more the forces accumulate. Let's look at this picture. A one-time lift or carry of 20 pounds, 10 inches in front of us may not seem like much, but when done repeatedly, it can cause a lot of additional stress on our body. Do the same thing but hold it 20 inches away, and you've added almost an additional 100 pounds of force to your spine with only a 10-inch difference. The effects add up similarly anytime we go outside of this green zone, whether it's going above the shoulders or below the hips. For example, if you have shelves of different heights that you're stacking or loading, choose the lightest objects for the top and bottoms of the rack. The heaviest object should be moved in our green zone. What about lifting an object from the floor? You might be surprised at how quickly the load on the spine adds up with only a few inches. Here, you can see that 20 pounds lifted directly under the body contributes to about 120 pounds of force to the spine. That's okay. Our spine is robust and strong, and it can handle loads like this. However, when lifting that same 20-pound object 16 inches out in front of the body, it increases the force on the spine by over 500 pounds. While our spine is robust, it's certainly not rated for that. For a majority of the lifting that we do, all it takes is an additional step towards the object to get closer to it. Think of a power lifter. Would they be compromising their green zone? When you're in a situation, you should be thinking, what would a power lifter do?